Okay, so hello YouTube, well, Vlad, whatnot. This is actually a very, I would say important PSA. Well, not important, but moral of the story is that you should not drink beer above your expensive mechanical keyboard. Well, it was expensive, at least for me. Yeah, I kind of spilled some beer all over it, and this part stopped working. Now, me being a guy that repairs everything, I actually bought mechanical keys, the same ones as this. So I did actually repair the keyboard. But yeah, if you're not doing my job, I would definitely recommend you not to drink beer, because it can end badly. At least it did for me. Now these are actually quite easy to install, as long as I'm here. I don't know which one to replace. I think that every other one is actually okay. Maybe one of the F's. Oh, okay, you know, why not? I don't know, I might replace this number 4. Oh, what the hell, let's replace the number just for kicks. Or not, I'm not quite sure. I actually have a couple of these left, only 3. And one of them might come in handy later on. But yeah, how big of an idiot you have to be to drink beer above your keyboard and then spill all over it. And when I mean all over it, I really do mean all over it. I did test the new keys, and the tactile feeling is basically the same. Well, it is the same. They're the same keys. And, well, yeah. Okay, let's see if I replaced all of these. I think, no, I did not. I actually did not replace this one, and I will be replacing just to show you how easy it actually is. Sorry, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, now let's see where my finger is in here. So, there are 2 contacts in here, which is the lead, and 2 contacts in here, which actually make the contact. Now, let's desolder this thing. But yeah, I was an idiot. But again, it is quite easy to, well, replace the keys. And I actually did think that these switches are waterproof, well, beer proof. And unfortunately for me, they are not. Ah, bloody hell. Okay, I need to put some solder in here, just so that I can desolder it properly. Sometimes solder just does not want to remove, but then you put some more solder and it goes away. Now, the first thing that I will be removing is actually this LED light, and I will be using, you know what, first of all, let's modify this, because this switch is actually not the same as this one. This one has a diode in here, which I'm not quite sure what's it for, but so, I need to pry it open a bit, and pry this other part open. I'm actually looking at the keyboard while doing this. It is an adventure. And I need to remove this diode. And that's the diode that I'm removing, and I will be just closing the switch, and basically the switch is, well, back to normal. And I also need to remove this bottom part, because this keyboard does not have it. Okay. And the next thing I will be doing is removing this LED with these pliers. The polarity is always important, so be sure to, well, if you ever do want to repair mechanical keyboard. And well, the last thing I will be doing is professionally removing this switch. So yeah, removed. And basically that is it. Now, to be honest, I was quite pissed off when this thing happened to me, because I seriously thought, but why me? but it did not stop me. It did not stop me from finishing my beer. So, well, I guess there's a silver lining in everything. And yeah, basically that is it for connections to solder, and that is pretty much it. You actually have a brand new key. And as I said, these are actually quite cheap. They're like $2. So I'm not quite sure why the keyboard is so expensive. Although, come to think about it, there are a lot of keys. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, well, anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy making it, but I was, well, quite pissed off that I destroyed the keyboard. But, it's clicking again, so at least that's something. Have a good day. Bye. Yeah, the keyboard is restored to all of its glory. I was so pissed off. I'm gonna get myself a beer.